icyo bita technical knockout. Technical knockout ni iki rero? Ni ukuvuga ngo ni igihe mugenzi wawe yagutsinze ku manota ikinyuranyo cy'amanota 8, abaye 10-2 yabita technical knockout, abaye 8-0 ni technical knockout. Niyo mpamvu rero umukino batategereje ko iminota irangira, ubundi baba basanzwe bakina iminota 3, niko imeze muri uyu mukino bita komite. Misiri hano yagarutse, niyo Misiri n'umunya Burkina Faso. Ni Benin, Abdelaziz Abdallah na Senegal, Abdurrahman Abdelaziz Abdullah aze kubona inota rye n'umunya Senegal. Tayari amushyizemo akantu hano. Misiri hano Abdulaziz Abdullah tayari. Tumukomeza manota 4, ntiharabona ikintu. Senegal hano Abdurrahman tayari wabona akantu hano, enda gukubita igipfunsi ariko kigahusha, amuteye ingumi hariya, baturebe amuteye hariya, ikozemo hariya, ikozemo mu majigo hariya rwose. Abdelaziz Abdullah, the Egyptian, is still leading with the 4 points. While the Senegalese Abdurrahman hasn't actually made any points. Still looking if he can get at least, he can grab one. I'm trying to see if he can make more points to get level with the Egyptian Abdelaziz Abdullah. He still has 1 minute 18 seconds. He's been receiving some treatment as he was kicked over the head. Abdurrahman still with a 0 point. Gets back on the field. This field is what we call tatami, a technical term. Abdullah, very skillful. He calmly makes his movements and makes some calculated kicks and punching. He's still one already with the 8 points. That's what we call technical knockout. Technical knockout. Abdullah wins again on a technical knockout. The technical knockout is actually when one makes 8 points while the other opponent has not made any. So the difference of 8 points is what you call technical points. If you make 10 points and the other one has 2, then that's what we call technical points too. The thing is that you must have a